According to Kumasi base in Shira FM, one of the leading stations Asante Mantem about sports omoyade. Omo the players 6 abetu jase kotoko assigning omo in Shira FM and a report where we you. Na notable of them from day one omo ayaka omo ho asema papa on the screen you see. Emmanuel Entry Emmanuel Entry from Great Olympics according to Inshira FM kotoko assign no omo ni na wie. Yes, Inshira FM report omo dey by we no. Now there is a player with Nations FC. Actually, on Nations FC for captain. A friend Emmanuel Boahe on that screen also no. According to Inshira FM, kotoko ni na wie omo sign. Then player Yabuni Dia Awuchi Elvis Cheba for on the Union him so on kotoko I should training I say and now I said me a story about him saying kotoko technical team no convinced with the performance no inti oma pass and say uncle sign. Now in Shira FM sports updates and omode by 5th July 2024. Most kotoko new signings per Inshira sports checks. Inshira FM for say omo ko check ye no. Kotoko assign and ye nyina yenim. Number 1 no. Asman Abdurrahman from Sudan. Sa player na Ahela for the na Malun no. To kotoko. Number 1. And Abdurrahman Abdul Karim. Oh no so free Sudan by no ne coach kwesi apia. Ono so Inshira FM se kotoko assign no. Number 3, Emmanuel Entry. Yenyina yenim. Emmanuel Entry from Great Olympics. Ya kano ho asema. And Emmanuel Boahe. On the photo no toso 3 no. Or Nations FC. Actually, on a Nations FC for captain. And also, Inshira FM say kotoko assign no. And ma we a bit of news kakre umi Emmanuel Boahe there no. Because me amadwen ko Emmanuel Boahe so say kotoko ne di nkomo kra. Nti ase no news Elvis Cheba for kotoko assign no na Samba Ndongi O'Neil ofri Congo mahwe striker no video bi na go bi a wahye no the last person bi omuso ofri Congo ye frɛ no Samba ball sa copyright for ne mame kwan a me di ni video no go no share no ebeba beto Super 24 TV no so this is the 6 players according to Kumasi base radio station in Inshira FM kotoko ni omo wie details more e de beto